Well, hey guys, it's Paul. Welcome again to the channel. And it was about a week ago, my buddy Dee Stein was checking out a photo that I did of my little engine, and he was asking about it. And at the time, I'm like, I got to do a video on that, feature that. And now is finally the time I've got around to doing it. So, Dee Stein, this one's for you, buddy. So it's pretty quiet. It doesn't burn any fuel. It's a Stirling engine. It's a heat type of engine. Runs on a heat differential. And what I've done is, you can see you can take this right off. And it'll still go for a little while. It's almost like magic. It's spinning down. And it's because what I've got here in the cup is hot water. See, what happens is the hot water heats this bottom plate. The top plate is cool, and there's a heat differential in here, and you can see the little displacer. It pushes air up and down. Okay. And this is a flywheel that helps carry it through to the next cycle. So if you put it on something that's warm, and it starts to heat up the bottom plate, this is going to be cooler than the bottom. And we'll see if we can get it started. Pretty cool, eh? And in theory, if you had ice, it would cool off the top plate and make the difference greater. It would even run faster. Or if you heated up the bottom even hotter, it would run faster. Or say you had a piece of dry ice, flat dry ice, if you set it on it and the top would be warm, the bottom would be cold, it would run fast, but it would run backwards from the way it's going now. So anyways, I appreciate you guys always watching and supporting the channel. And I thought this was kind of, you can get this on the Amazon. I think they're about 25 bucks, something like that. They're pretty cool.